Guys, I scored a $62 item on the website for Louis Vuitton. That's right, on your app. Go find this. It's the cheapest thing I could find on the website, other than maybe like a travel book.
I want to see the receipts.
$62, and look what all I got. The bag, the box, the shipping box, everything. That's worth $62 alone.
Put that checkbook away, there's more.
Hey, Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this bargain hunting ho.
It's a Louis Vuitton.
Girl, I cannot believe it. So you know how I've been buying less, trying to.
You lying ass bitch.
And so I stumbled upon this item and I bought it for a gift for one of my August birthday girlies. I had bought myself one, but I paid more by going pre-loved. It's a brand new item and I'm gonna show you.
Well, we're waiting.
But I bought this thing for $85 off of somebody on eBay and people were charging like $200 and $300. What is it? It's still available. I'm going to unbox it now. Okay, so I did mark on my order form at the end of add to cart when you're checking out, there's a thing. Do you want the bag? Yes. For $62, I want everything. And if you're spending thousands of dollars on that website, you definitely need to at least get your bag, honey. Like the shopping bag and your bag, right? Okay, so you got your bag, your box. This box comes fully wrapped with the ribbon and you get your receipt thing. What a gift this makes, right? If you're sending this to somebody, oh my God, you just look like a hero right now. Like a rich bitch.
You bitch.
And voila, you get a dust bag. Letting you know, like, these sell for $20, $30 online, just dust bags and boxes and stuff. So already we've paid almost for the item, okay? It is the postcard set.
Bam.
It comes fully packed up like this. It's in that damier ebene looking box with the little postcards and stickers. So I say these are postcards and I'll show them to you because I have an open box over here. I'm gonna leave this one sealed for my friend. I just think that this makes an excellent gift. If you're trying to get ahead of the holidays, go ahead, check it out. I did want to give you a heads up on something that you can buy as a birthday gift, a wedding gift, I don't know, anniversary present. Anybody that loves luxury is going to get a kick out of this. I'm telling you, this makes for a perfect gift idea, even for the holidays, which will be here before you know it, girl. I love the idea. Now I'm going to show you what's inside.
Boom, bitch!
Let me put the new one down, but it will come like this. There's a card on the back. I'll show it to you. And that's inside of this box, but inside the box you get... Take the card out. Yeah, that's the card that comes on the back.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Look at the back of the box. You can make a shadow box out of these, and I think all of the luxury girlies hit this like February of this year. I know Dawn did a video. Laurie from Smiling Cats Couture, she got some. Rachel got some. They've already got them. I went on there and just lucked up to find them again because I missed the boat the first time around and now I'm on the boat fully, but check it out. The inside of the box is really cute. You can cut this box up and make a shadow box. I will link Smiling Cats Couture. You can see she has done that. It comes with the Ocean Guide. Let's see, Ocean Liner Labels and Art of Travel Guide, which just shows you all of the different, I don't even know what this does. It's just a neat little book. Maybe it's a little card or something. I really don't know.
You put your weed in there.
But that comes with it to make the gift look even more bougie.
Oh my.
And then you get the Louis Vuitton liner, trunks and liner or something paper. That's really neat. I mean, this is a great presentation. Anybody that gets this is gonna be like, whoa, what did you do? Which I hope is what will be the effect of me gifting this to my friend. I hope she enjoys it. But yeah, all of the little, I won't go through them all because there are like 30 of them, but they're really cool little stickers and the back looks like a postcard. And I think this one is, but they all say, you know, they all have that little, hey, use me as a sticker. So you can peel the back off and stick it on anything, which I think is amazing. If you want to make a shadow box out of these. None of them really say Louis Vuitton, but I think they're just like something they did with their trunks and stuff long ago. I don't really know. It's as if you bought a trunk from Louis Vuitton and you vacationed at all these places and God forbid you got postcards and stickers and put on that trunk, but hey, you do you. But I guess that's the vibe here. I don't really know. Y'all know I don't know things. I just go into the video half-cocked, don't research, don't look up anything, just like, hey guys, look at these pretty postcards. So this is the B&N line in Norway, Nordcap. I mean, come on guys. It just is a really cool set. I mean, you get some big cards here. Ooh, this one's coming off the backing. But yeah, very beautiful presentation on here. 30 cards that you can stick on something. I don't know. Oh, this one's a really Osaka line. This one's a really pretty one. But yeah, some of them are really, really nice. The artwork on it, and see, my friend is an artist, so I feel like she will appreciate the artwork that is involved in this. And she's creative and would probably be able to make a shadow box of some sort. I say it, but these will sit on a shelf until I, you know, move them on to somebody. I did want to have them, and like I said, buy them as a gift. I missed the boat on it. I know I watched everybody's video when they were hot and heavy with these things, but I just didn't think to go on the site and buy it. $62! Cheapest thing I could find at Louis Vuitton that is interesting and fun that I really wanted to get. Now, I do love those travel books. I have a few. I think those are excellent gifts too, and I think they run around $43, something like that. So there are things that you can get under $100 at Louis Vuitton on the website. You just kind of have to hunt around, and if you're like me, you're on that website all the time looking at shit anyway, so why not? What? And I wanted to show you another item. Remember earlier in the year, I think it was spring, I did buy one of those little books from, those little notepad books from Louis Vuitton that was $105 plus tax. I think all in I was at $120. I think we all went on the crusade to buy those because they came with a beautiful metal, like beach hut ornament or bag charm that you could use. But check out the charm thing. You could put this on a bag. You could attach this to something, a little ribbon of some sort, and put it as a bag charm on one of your Louis Vuitton items. Bro, it did come with this really cute ribbon. It came with that little ornament thing, but I'm going to gift that as well. So I went back on the site after I saw the packaging and I ordered another one immediately. It has been on back order until last week. So I want to say months. It's just been sitting there in my cart, bought, but not moving anywhere. I don't know why, but guess what? Wah, wah. They did not include all of the cool stuff they put on the other one that I got. So yeah, it was a little too good to be true. And I know that my friend Kevin, hey Kevin, who sent me a wonderful box of gifts the other day, some Mary Kay cosmetics that I love. Thank you, Kevin. You're such a sweetheart. I will link his channel down below. He bought this. Long story short, he bought this too. He didn't get it either. So second time around, I was not lucky enough to get any of the accoutrement that I got with the first one. I know, but I am gifting this as well. I got a couple, 3 or 4 people in August that I really need to buy gifts for. But yeah, let me show you this one because the other one was so effing cute and this one still is adorable. The kind of yellow, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's yellow. It's got the trunks thing on there, trunks and bags. It's just a really cool gift. This is not, I won't say it's like monogram shiny canvas, but it's like a scratchy dull canvas material anyway. I think they're making bags from this material right now, but it is adorable. Couple of things you can get from Louis Vuitton as gifts. Look like you have spent $1 million without spending a lot of money at all. So for less than $200, I got 2 people gifts that will really impress and really stand out in the crowd when I am gifting those. And that is always what we want to do when we are gifting somebody something. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just wanted to hop on and show you that you can do it. You can buy something cheap at Louis Vuitton. It's a thing. It happens. Don't try to buy socks or anything. Those are like $300. So damn! Yeah, bag charms 1,000. So if you're looking for something more practical and fun, yeah, I'll link these for you. Have a great day. Do me a favor. If you have seen 7, 8, 9 of my videos and you haven't subscribed, like what? Go ahead, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out greatly. If you'll hype up the video and comment down below, have you tried this? Have you bought some cheap things from Louis Vuitton? I want to know about it. Tell me in the past what you've got that is less than $100. It can't be much, but I want to know if it's out there. Let me know in the comments. Have a great day. Thank you for joining. And one last thing, girl, if y'all see my husband, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Gonna run through this quick. I don't even have a watch on today. Forgot totally when I got out of the shower just now to put one on. I did remember my beaded bracelets, however, but no, the watch, she didn't make it to the wrist yet. My bag of the day is still the Cherry Speedy. Today is no different than any other day. I did remember scent. It is Tobacco Vanille from Tom Ford. I'm feeling bougie and this hits the spot. I will link this for you because I think this is in the anniversary sale for Nordstrom. So you can get 2 little tiny bottles, and I love a mini bottle flex from Tom Ford because it says just shrunken down. Love that. And sneaker of the day is Travis Scott, the Shy Pink. Okay guys, I'm gonna put a video right here. Do me a favor. YouTube thinks you'll love this video. Go ahead and click on it and keep on watching. Cheap and Louis Vuitton in the same sentence, an oxymoron, right? Who you calling a moron? Biatch!